Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hidayati, graduate from Postgraduate Education Administrative Study Program, Pakuan University, Bogor, West Java. On this occasion, we will present the result of our research at the Asian Education Symposium 2023. There are also our research details. Our research title is Increasing Teacher Creativity Through Transformational Leadership, Work Culture, and Achievement Motivation, Empirical Study Using the Correlation Method and Symposium Analysis on Permanent Teacher at Private Vocational School in West Bogor District. Authorized by Nurul Hidayati, Ibu Griet Helena Latihad, and Bapak M. Entang. Introduction 1. Challenge of globalization. The presence of globalization is a big challenge to the world of education, where we must be able to increase in productivity and make effort to produce quality creative work as a result of thorough mastery of science and technology. 2. Students as national asset must be prepared optimally in order to be able to compete while upholding the principles of national character and national and religious character values, so as to be able to anticipate the challenge of the times in the global and technology-based era. 3. Fact about teacher creativity, where teachers still teach using the lecture method only. From this, it causes students to feel bored quickly and still does not display creative value in carrying out the learning process, so that it can have a negative impact on their students. 4. Benefit of teacher creativity with creative learning. Students are not only listeners, but involve them in ongoing learning so as to create learning model that is easy to accept, impressive, and fun, and is able to increase student in motivation for the learning model carried out by the teacher, and creatively and will be born students who have bigger ability are taught. Method. The method used in the research is a survey method with a collational approach and Symposium analysis. Population and sample. The population of this study were teachers with the status of permanent foundation teacher at vocational high school in the West Bogor sub-district, totaling 171 people. The sampling technique in the study is a representative of the permanent teacher of the foundation is the West Bogor area, which was taken using a professional random sampling technique. The sample size was calculated using the slotting formula to produce 121 samples. Data analysis technique. The descriptive statistics used are the average, median, moderate, and size of the spread using the standard deviation and range of scores. In addition to the above, we also use frequency table and histogram. Descriptive statistic analysis was carried out with the aim that in a clear and simple way each data from the result of the research that had been carried out could be described. Result and discussion. 1. Based on the result of hypothesis testing, it is proven that the 7 hypotheses proposed can be accepted significant by looking at the result of the hypothesis submission. There is a relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable, both individual and together. There is a functional relationship that occurs including the dependent variable and the dependent variable, indicating that teacher creativity is the result of the principal transformational leadership variable, work culture, and achievement motivation of teacher. 2. Based on the result of Symposium analysis. A. The receipt result obtained that the work culture indicator in order 1 has a high correlation coefficient value of 0.77 affected the teacher creativity variable. Second, order achievement motivation indicator has a correlation coefficient value of 0.680. It has a relationship to increasing teacher creativity. Third, order of transformational leadership has a correlational coefficient value of 0.620. It has a relationship to increasing teacher creativity. Conclusion. There is a positive and very significant relationship with a relationship strength of coefficient correlation 0.715 between transformational leadership of culture together with achievement motivation together with the teacher creativity variable as indicated by the result of the correlation coefficient y1 coefficient correlation 0.715 and the value of the coefficient of determinant coefficient correlation y 0.511 and the simple linear regression equation y 0.258 x1 plus 0.372 x2 plus 0.2 x3 plus 154.955 means that x1, x2, and x3 contribute 51.1% to the y variable. And thus, we submit this presentation. Thank you for your attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.